Hello guys, great news! OpenBSD 6.7 is out, so let's grab it and test it on virtual machine, well, at least in my case. Right, download section, and I will grab AMD 64 ISO right here. And if you have really old machine, like a normal PC desktop machine, you probably want to go with that one ISO, but my machine is like a couple of years old, so I will roll with that one. Right. Also consider using mirror websites and FTP servers, because you don't want to put too much burden on official OpenBSD infrastructure. So whatever you choose, okay, that thing will be around 450 megabytes for version 6.7 of OpenBSD. I already have it, I don't want to waste your time, so let's roll with Oracle Virtual Machine in my case. I mean VirtualBox, and let's create one here. Name will be OpenBSD 6.7, let's say 6.7, and BSD generally 64 OpenBSD. Right, that will get the job done. Memory size, let's roll with the 4 gigabytes, right? And we're gonna create a virtual disk, fine. Virtual disk image, fine. Dynamic location, sure. And 16 gigabytes will be too much for testing purposes, so let's roll with 8. Right, something like that, who cares? And now we need to go to settings, and we're gonna change boot order. Optical drive will be first. And what else? Display, let's max this out. Storage, right, so here we need to set ISO file, so click on empty here, go here and choose your ISO. In my case that's in some weird download folder, temporary one, I don't know why I created this folder, who cares. Anyway, so let's click here, open, okay, and let me check one more time. Audio, fine. Network, fine. Serial ports, well, who cares, this is testing machine, right? Okay, let's roll OpenBSD and let's see what's up. I mean, I never have a problem with OpenBSD, only one, because that was some Fujitsu Siemens server, like weird, absolutely weird thing, but it will work perfectly on OpenBSD machines. Right, so everything is fine. Let's go in a scale mode and let's give it a little bit of space here, like that. I'm recording this with OBS Studio, and then I need to change this in Camtasia, because in OBS you can't do like editing, so sorry about that. But anyway, installation, right, install and layout for keyboard, default, system hostname, who cares, network interfaces, right, well, default one, only one, so I'm gonna press enter. IP version 4 addresses, dynamic, so enter. Let's get that IP, come on. Right, cool, and I don't have IP version 6 needs, so none, which means enter. Which network interfaces, blah blah blah, done. DNS domain name, well, my domain. Domain, password for root, and let's repeat it. Start secure login by default, well, right, yes. Do you expect to run graphical interface? Yes. Do you want to start it by default? No, let's say no. Well, yes, for sure, yeah, let's say yes. Set up a user, full name, well, of course, user, who cares, and the password. And again, right, root SSH login, because this is testing machine, yes, otherwise no, in production, it depends what you do, right? Anyway, time zone, who cares, Mars. Which disk is the raw disk? Well, that one, so enter. And I'm gonna use whole MBR, so enter. Right, auto layout, Okay, uppercase, I mean lowercase, uppercase, whatever, A, and enter. Location of sets, CD0, well, that's correct. Enter. Path name, well, pretty much default one, logical one. And we're gonna grab everything. Enter. Directory does not contain signature. Continue without verification. Well, because we are in ultra secure environment on Windows, I'm gonna say yes. And let's roll with installation. Right, this will be done in less than a minute, hopefully. Location of sets, well, pretty much we are done, so enter. Time appears wrong, who cares? Enter. Relinking to create unique kernel. Okay, so we are done. Let's say that we wanna, I don't know, halt our machine or reboot. Well, halt, okay. Enter, and in a split of a second, we're gonna halt our thing. Right, press any key to reboot, and I'm gonna press any key, and very wildly I'm gonna roll with file, close, and power off, because I need to change boot order in a virtual machine. Right, where is that thing? Okay, settings and system. Optical will go down, floppy will go down, hard disk will, what? Go up? Well, whatever, who cares? Okay, and let's roll. And in a split of a second, we're gonna be in graphical interface. Okay. Okay, let's log in with root, because I need to install Chromium to test what's happening with internet. And then because I cannot use Chromium as a root, I will roll with like normal user. Right, so modules and background will be default, which I very like, and also I use it on Windows. For some reason I really like this blue default stuff. And let's say package, add a little bit of verbosity and Chromium. Okay. Okay, that's it. We have a Chromium, so top. Let me check. Kinda nice. Right, let's get out. Clear, and I'm gonna log off, so exit. And also here, do you really wanna get out? Well, sure. So let's log in as a user. Hopefully I remember that password. Right, okay, we are back again. Let's change background because I like it, and control plus 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 whatever. So Chrome, enter, and in a split of a second, after all these like status messages and warnings and errors and who cares, we're gonna have Google. Right, so that's awesome. That's awesome. Let's check connection fast dot blah blah blah. And this is virtual machine, so it will probably not be that great, but it will be usable. Well, I survived dial-up modem, so I'm pretty much happy with that one. Right, and well, yeah, everything works. YouTube, let's see. I need to check what's happening with audio, but up till now I'm kind of happy with that. And my phone is, just a second, why now? Why now? Sorry guys, sorry about that. Anyway, alright, messages and stuff. So cool. so cool. That's it. Everything is fine. Okay guys, that's it. Nothing special here. OpenBSD 6.7 works perfectly as always. So I'm gonna say exit and I will just log off. Well, sure. If I say shut down here, I cannot do that because I am logged as a normal user. Okay, so I need to get out from here and just logged in as a root and then shut it from there. Yeah, very lazy way. But sure, it will work. So shut down H now, and there you go guys. In a split of a second we're gonna shut down our machine. Control C, press any key to reboot, and I'm gonna get out from here. OpenBSD 6.7 is as always perfect OS that will get the job done. I really love it. And this blue background on Windows 2. That's it guys, thanks for watching, and see you next one.